Here's a song Elvis did in one of his movies. Not sure what movie it was, but it's a pretty song. It's called Puppet on a String.
Every time you look at me, I'm as helpless as can be. I become a puppet on a string, and you can do most anything with me. All you do is touch my hand, and your wish is my command. I become a puppet on a string, and you can do most anything with me. If you really love me, darling, please be kind. I offer you the truest love, oh, that you will ever find. Take my heart and please be fair, handle it with loving care, for I'm just a puppet on a string, and you can do most anything with me. If you really love me, darling, please be kind. I offer you the truest love, oh, that you will ever find. Take my heart and please be fair, handle it, oh, with loving care, for I'm just a puppet on a string. You can do most anything with me. You can do most anything with me.
Thank you very much.